Mike.
I'm Laura.
We are Match Made in Heaven.
So today, crew, we are going to talk showers. Michael and I installed this walk-in master bath shower. It was so easy using the Schluter waterproofing products. So today we are going to do some open boxes and show you the products because we are in the process of putting in another walk-in shower in our guest bathroom.
We're always in the middle of some product.
Always in the middle of something. But we wanted to share with you guys, if you're thinking about doing a shower or tiling, how easy Schluter makes it for you to do that.
And great job, by the way, installing. I look forward to the next install. And if you like these videos, please subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Give us some comments. Hit that little bell icon. Turn on notifications if you want to be alerted to future videos by Match Made in Heaven. Thanks for watching, guys.
See you soon.
This looks like Christmas.
It is. I'm so excited.
Why are you? My goodness, we got all these presents.
Yes, all these Schluter presents.
Schluter Systems. So now you can spell it. S-C-H-L-U-T-E-R. So let's just start with this one, Laura. What you got here? We didn't open this one.
Oh, yeah, we did. This is the flange. And we're probably doing this backwards, but this is the flange. This will go in your shower tray, and then you just use the stuff to seal it. We'll have the name of that as we're installing it. We are going to do future videos and show you how to install each and every one of the products here that we're showing you. So this is the flange for the drain in the shower.
This is a very important part for the flange.
Yes, that's very important.
What do you like about this one? Why do we?
This is the drain, and what I really like about this one is, I'll take it out of the package so you can see. And
Great.
We did it in our master shower, but it has the Schluter stuff on the top, and as you can see, it's just a square, but you tile over top of that so it looks like it's part of your floor. And then it just sits in there. There's little thingies.
I'll help.
There you go. I couldn't see it. There you go. And it just fits in there, and it looks like your whole floor is tiled. So
then when you're tiling, you got that piece to tile around.
Yes, you put that on there. And like I said, we'll show you how each of these products works as we go through our install.
All right, so what's the Grate go in?
All right, so next is our Schluter shower pan. And the really good, okay, here it goes. This is a 30, what is it, a 30?
38 by 60 for air install.
So it's going to be about 3 feet by 5 feet. The good thing about the Schluter shower pan, it's already got the backing on it, that the waterproofing. So you don't have to worry about that. But what is awesome about this product is it is already slanted so that the water will run to the middle, to the drain, so you don't even have to worry about that. That's what I love about this product.
Now what if you don't want a center drain?
If you don't want the center drain, they do make them to where the drain can be just about anywhere that you want it to be. So they have choices on their website if you want to check them out. Schluter, SCHLUTER.com.
And then this guy is the
This goes around your shower flange.
Yeah.
This goes around your flange. This product right here, this product right here is the Schluter membrane, and this is so easy to install. If you can install wallpaper, you can install this. And like I said, we'll talk more about what we use to hang this on the shower walls.
So what do you just put that on 2x4 studs? What do you put that on?
Michael, you can't just put
Set
it
up.
on 2x4 studs.
I threw the softball to you. Knock it out.
You have to have drywall.
Just drywall.
Just drywall. You don't even have to finish your drywall. Just drywall. So once you get your drywall installed, this, you use a mastic type stuff. I can't remember the name of it. Like I said, we'll tell you that in the future videos. But this is like a felt. It feels like felt. And like I said, if you can install wallpaper, you can install this stuff. And we will show you in a future video how to install this. So easy.
All right, 12 by 28. What do you got?
A 12 by 28 shower niche. This is what you can put in the wall. You just cut out your drywall, the size that you need your hole. This little booger right here, so easy again. You just set this into your drywall that you've cut out. Screw it in. There's special screws that you use. Now, one thing about this is wherever you put the holes for your screws, you have to use the Kerdi-Band, and we'll show you that in a minute, to cover up those holes so that it stays waterproof. But this is the shower niche, so it'll go in the wall to hold your shampoos, your soaps, whatever. And then next we have this is your
Schluter
shower curb. So this holds the water inside the tray.
Got ends on it?
It's got ends on it. Now, if you order this and it's too big, so easy. Again, so easy. I know I keep saying that, but you can cut it the length that you need.
Just stick it right in.
Just stick it right in there.
And it'll go on this, so we don't have to have a shower. We want to avoid a door in this install.
Yes.
So 5 foot long shower, this on the end, the slanting, we're good to go.
Unless you have a duck in your shower, then nothing's going to help.
Ducky duddle. So what about this stuff?
This is the Kerdi Fix. This will go.
Fix? We don't need fixing.
Sometimes you do. It's kind of like a caulk, but it's a little thicker. This is where, like, if you have like nicks or you find nicks in your Kerdi-Band or your Kerdi-Board, you just put a little bit of this on it, smear it on, and that fixes your little nicks and stuff.
So if you're human, get some of this.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
What about the other? What are we missing?
We are missing the Kerdi-Band.
Do we have that? Do we don't have none?
I thought it was right there beside your booty.
Here we go.
Kerdi-Band. This kind of looks like ace bandage stuff, but this goes anywhere that you have a joint. You want to use the Kerdi-Band. So this will go around where the curb meets the shower pan. You'll just put this in there and seal up those holes. You will also use your corner pieces, which Schluter makes this easy too. They already cut it for you, and so it's cut like in for a corner. You just set that in there. Use your waterproofing stuff to waterproof it, and there you go.
Great stuff. So we're ready. We've got the supplies. We are going to finish hanging some drywall, and like Laura said, I don't have to worry about finishing it. I hate drywall. And then she will start doing the Schluter install and tiling. So be on the lookout for these future videos. We think you're going to like them. Hopefully it'll help you.
Hopefully it'll help.
All right. Thanks, Laura. I look forward to seeing it.
Me too.
And she's happy. It's like Christmas. I bought her some presents. All right. Have a great day, guys.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. By the way,
don't forget to check out our merchandise on Teespring.
Appreciate your support. Have a great day.